Have you ever dreamt of exploring the mysterious depths of the ocean? Well, today is your lucky day because we're exploring the top 5 best underwater drones of 2024. From cutting-edge technology to breathtaking underwater footage, these drones are sure to take your underwater adventures to the next level. So grab your diving gear and get ready to embark on an epic journey beneath the waves. Number 5. Chasing M2 Pro Max. This industrial-grade underwater ROV is a powerhouse designed for government and enterprise users. With its 30% increase in power, 4K plus EIS camera, and diving depth of up to 200 meters, the M2 Pro Max is ready to tackle any underwater mission. Whether it's emergency rescue, hull inspection, or scientific exploration, this drone has got you covered. Plus, with real-time sharing capabilities, you can share your underwater adventures with the world. Number 4. PowerVision PowerA Wizard. This underwater drone is your ultimate exploration companion. Equipped with a 4K HD camera, fish finder, and VR goggles, the PowerA Wizard bundle has everything you need to discover the wonders beneath the surface. From capturing stunning underwater footage to locating fish and inspecting boat undersides, this drone does it all. Number 3. Genino T1 Pro. This industrial light-duty underwater robot is packed with features to fulfill all your underwater needs. With its 12-megapixel camera, sonar, and water quality detection capabilities, the T1 Pro is perfect for a wide range of applications. Whether you're exploring deep-sea environments or conducting underwater inspections, this drone has the tools you need to get the job done. Plus, with a runtime of up to 4 hours underwater, you can explore with confidence. Number 2. Fifish Pro V6 Plus. This advanced underwater robot camera takes underwater exploration to the next level. With its 6 degrees of freedom and Q-motor stabilization system, the V6 Plus offers unparalleled maneuverability and stability. Whether you're capturing breathtaking underwater landscapes or conducting detailed inspections, this drone delivers stunning results every time. And with its range of optional add-ons, you can customize your underwater experience to suit your needs. Number 1. QYC Fifish V Evo. This advanced underwater drone is a true powerhouse of innovation. With its 4K UHD camera, AI adaptive features, and 360-degree mobility, the V Evo is in a league of its own. Whether you're tracking marine life or capturing dynamic underwater footage, this drone delivers unparalleled performance. Plus, with its robust construction and long dive time, you can explore the depths with confidence. So there you have it, our top 5 best underwater drones of 2024. Whether you're an underwater enthusiast or a professional diver, these drones are sure to take your underwater adventures to the next level. Let us know in the comments below which one will you choose for your next underwater expedition. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic gadget reviews. Until next time, happy diving!